Hey everybody, welcome back to the Way of Kay. I'm going to show you how to harvest your broccoli seeds. So these were grown 5 months ago. Don't know the exact date. Florida has 2 growing seasons, spring and fall. So I grew these in the fall. Usually broccoli likes to be grown in the colder temperatures, but they bolted. I didn't really get much broccoli off of it. These are also other seeds that I harvested. I have a lot. And then these are other seeds that I harvested in 2023, February. So I got a bunch of seeds. So when the broccoli bolts, it shoots out flowers. And the flowers get pollinated. And they have these little pods on them. And inside of these little pods are little tiny seeds. You just crack them open and pour them out. So the really big ones are usually the best because they've sat longer and they're easier to take apart. You just pour them in the bowl. So here's that little middle piece I was telling you about that holds all the seeds in. And you just kind of run your fingers on it and get them all off. And then here are all your seeds. I let these sit for about 2 months in my shed, and to make sure they're like real crispy. Like, you want them to be able to break real easy or crunch. They're green and kind of squishy whenever they first come off the plant. My broccoli plants now were actually planted from the seeds that I already saved. So you save a lot of money doing this, just saving your own seeds and reusing them, and it's fun. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like and comment on what you want me to take a video of next. Have a wonderful day.